What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to handle one of the most annoying requests from clients and parents as well. Give them a nice haircut, but don't cut any length off. And for most of us guys, that's really difficult to clean up a haircut, line up around the ears, but not take any length off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a taper. Very simple, blend into what we have on top and get a nice haircut out of it. But anyway, let's get right into the video. Alright, so like we said in the intro, his mom asked for no length off, just to taper the sides and line it up. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about that. We're going to go in and set our bald guideline first with our Slimlines, go ahead and bald it out, and come in with our shaver to get it all the way down to skin. I think the number one reason that we all struggle with this cut, especially the newer that we are, is we're really not trained yet to be able to cut without seeing results. So when we do tapers, I know I especially did this when I was a beginner, I have to see every guideline as I go up. And if you guys see, the main difference in this is that as we get going, we're not going to see the guidelines. We're just going to be lightening it up slightly so that it all blends together. We're not really going to see every guideline. So we did our open section, now we're closed clipper, then half open in between that. It's going to go pretty quick, guys. There's not a lot of hair we're going to work with, but you see I brush it out of the way to see what I'm working with, brush it back down. I'm going to go ahead and come in with my 2 guard here. I'm flicking into the length that's up there. You can see we're going to slow roll our clipper into the length, brush it back down. And this is what I mean, guys. So we're going to start with our 2 and cut some of this hair to a 2. Now when we come in with the 1.5 and the 1 to lighten that up, we're not really looking for a guideline. We're just wanting to connect all of this to the length on top. So this is our open 1 guard. We'll immediately come in with it closed after that and work the line down to our original section that we started with. And that's the thing, guys, we're just gonna have to do this little by little. We're gonna start with a big guard, work our way down, work the spots out as we go. We're not gonna see 3 and 4 guidelines like we normally would on a full haircut. So now I'm with the half guard, taking the rest of that line out. You guys can see above where we're at, there's a little bit of bulk, so I'm gonna come in with the 1.5 and connect to our 2, and we're gonna basically be done with this. The lineup is gonna save this haircut. It's gonna be a very short, quick taper. We're not gonna see guidelines. You just have to trust and put your guards where they're supposed to be and get that smooth transition very quickly into the length on top. So you guys can see we're just polishing now that I got it established. Now we'll move on to the other side. We're gonna do the same steps. I want you guys to really pay attention to what I'm saying. We're not gonna have multiple guidelines. We're gonna do our first open section guideline, and then we're basically gonna fade down. We're gonna blend into the curls and just try to connect it all without having guidelines. And that's a little more difficult, and that's the problem. If you make 3 distinct guidelines, you're not gonna have the shape of this haircut that they're asking for. So we're gonna do a distinct guideline here, then we'll start with the long guard, connect to the curl, and just take the line out in between. That's a number 2 guard. Like I said, we're just trying to flick into the curl and make the spot next to the open clipper down to a 2 guard. Now we'll come in with the open 1, do our next line, and like I said, it's not a visible guideline. We're just connecting into that 2 as best we can, and then we'll come in and close it up underneath that to connect to our open section. Now that's a 0 guard to finish up connecting to the open section. You guys can see how quickly that goes. I know it doesn't look clean yet. We're gonna clean it up with the 1.5. The lineup will really bring it all together, but it's basically gonna just be a very quick baby taper up into that length. Now we're moving on to the back. Especially on a little guy like this, I want to make sure he looks all the way down. That way I can really flick that clipper out into the length. So again, coming in with our Slimline, we're going to bald it out, come in with the shaver underneath, get it down to skin, and then we'll work our way up. Now we'll come in with the clipper open. You guys can see I'm freehanding into the length that's above. We really want to maintain the length. That's the idea here, is to not cut much of the curl off, keep the taper low. So we did the open section. Now we come in with the clipper closed. then half open after that, slightly above where we were, and then we'll work into the curl above that. So next, here's our 2 guard. We're gonna flick out into the curl very carefully, not to go too high, not to cut too much curl off. And then we'll just work on the hair that's left between the open section. So this is open 1. Sorry for me being in the way, guys, but you know I haven't been leaving the back end, but I'm trying to work on that for you. So now we're with the open 1. We're just trying to lighten the line up. Then we'll close it up, come at it again, and then the half guard or the 0 for the Andis guards will take the rest of this line out. And this is definitely a haircut that's going to be a quick transition from bald to hair, and the lineup is what's really going to bring this haircut together. It doesn't honestly look very good right now. I'm not finished yet, of course, but it's not going to look super finished until the lineup is on it, but you guys will see once that comes that it'll look just fine. And keep in mind, we are going to curl sponge this right now, so you guys will see. I'm not going to say it doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, there is no perfect haircut, but the fact that we're curling everything that's long will mean that our taper that's visible is really only going to be from the bald to about an open 1, and everything else will curl up into the top. Now we'll come in and line up around the ears. You just want to brush the hair that's there against the line or over the line. Then we'll come in and give it a nice sharp line around the ear and the back of the neck. And this is one thing, guys, you're going to use your trimmer to freehand. We do have quite a bit of length around the ear, so you're going to see me just use my trimmer and kind of bring it out to freehand into the curls on the side. So sorry for that camera focus, guys. I'm usually pretty good at locking it, but you guys can see this is really going to make it come together. So we're just going to get a nice sharp line around the ear. I'll freehand any hair that's in the way, and it's going to come out looking nice. But this is a very difficult haircut to do. Cut as little hair as possible, but still get that transition from skin to hair. And like I said, the lineup will really make this come together, even though it's a very short transition into a lot of hair, not very cleaned up. This is how you're going to go about it. So we'll do the same thing on the other side, get a nice sharp line, and then we'll tackle the front hairline. Now moving on to the front hairline, I have used some medium brown hair fibers here. You guys have seen him on my channel before. With his hair brushed up, he definitely doesn't have a very sharp line, so we want to get him nice and sharp for the video purposes. So I sprayed a little bit of medium brown hair fibers in. Now we'll go in and give him a nice sharp line on the front. You guys can see this haircut will really come together. And if you guys saw the thumbnail, then you noticed this. We were just having a little bit of fun. His brother was there. We were messing around. I think somebody mentioned Anthony Davis, so we fibered him up a unibrow, and they were having a good time with it. I thought it'd make a funny thumbnail. So anyway, guys, you can see the lineup is done, nice and sharp. We're gonna go ahead and get this unibrow up off of here. But like I said, just having a little bit of fun, finishing up this cut. But there's the before, guys. Like I said, very grown out, didn't want to take any of the length off, just a little taper. And there's the end result. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you can learn something from this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. I got another channel review coming soon, and I'll catch you guys next time.